Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hostinger to create a website. First, you will choose a hosting plan that aligns with your project, whether it's a small blog or a large e-commerce store. Hostinger offers various options, often starting at just a few dollars per month. Next, you will register a new domain name or link an existing one. This is your website's unique address on the internet. Finally, complete the quick setup wizard to get your hosting environment ready for building. Once your hosting is set up, you'll choose your website building tool. Hostinger provides two main options. You can use their own intuitive website builder, which features a drag-and-drop interface perfect for beginners, allowing you to create a site in under 1 hour. Or, for more advanced control and flexibility, you can install WordPress with just one click. Both options offer hundreds of professional, mobile-responsive templates to get you started. Now comes the exciting part: designing your website and adding content. Personalize your chosen template by modifying colors, fonts, and overall layout to match your brand. Upload your own high-quality images, engaging videos, and compelling text to tell your story. You can easily integrate crucial features such as contact forms, image galleries, or even a full-fledged online store with just a few clicks, enhancing user experience. With your design complete and content added, it's time to launch your website. Before going live, thoroughly review every page and test all functionalities, like forms and links, to ensure a seamless user experience. Once you are satisfied, simply hit the Publish button to make your website accessible to everyone online. Remember to regularly update your content and any installed software, like WordPress, for optimal security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.